That is very challenging. That is where often change projects fail, because the new culture, the new values, they are not lived by leaders. It is essential that you're not just rolling out change projects. That sounds like a bulldozer is coming across and rolling out whatever new things you want to have implemented. That doesn't work. Individuals need to be treated as individuals. So if you want a culture change, make sure that your leaders live it. And how do you get them to live it? By also embracing it, by embedding it into their leadership principles, by making sure that they also know what is in it for them. What is it that they are excited about with this change, with this culture change? It only works if you have your leaders live it and communicate it on a daily basis.